Juniors, your Naviance Quarter 3 assignment is to complete the college cost scavenger hunt. Let's get started by logging into Clever using your laptop login and password. Find your Naviance icon in your Clever portal, taking you to your Naviance student homepage. Scroll down into your important to-dos and tasks, and click on the task that says College Cost Scavenger Hunt. Once you're in your student planner, find that pink arrow and click on Take This Survey. In order to complete this survey, you are going to select a college or university that you are interested in attending once you graduate high school. The purpose of the College Cost Scavenger Hunt is to give you an idea of what fees and costs are out there that are associated with that school that you're interested in. This will hopefully give you a little bit of foundation to start comparing schools and weighing the costs and the differences. So, in order to keep my survey up, I am going to right-click on colleges and open a new tab. From there, I'm going to say I'm interested in the University of Kansas. So I'm going to search, and I'm going to select the University of Kansas from the list, which will bring me to an overview of KU. So in order to answer the questions, you will click through the headings at the top of the page to find the costs and information associated with the survey. From there, if you're still interested in learning more about KU, their website is at the very top. It'll take you directly there. You can check out the virtual tours, and you can communicate directly with KU if you have specific questions. Once you have completed the 10-question survey, make sure you hit Save and Finish. Go back to your Naviance student homepage, and under your important to-dos and tasks, the College Cost Scavenger Hunt should be removed, meaning you have completed your Quarter 3 Naviance assignment.